Hi guys, this is a part 3 for the make a payment process, page product and make a payment process. This is a part 3, the same I mentioned in part 1, how I made how to make the payment and how to do that in PHP and how to send it to the server, and as well how to style CSS3 and how to download Bootstrap version 4.5.0, and as well how to create the own product page in PHP to be able easier to delete, update or delete or add, and that's the prices should be connected to the server, PHP server, to be able for each product it's matched with the correct price. Now I'm gonna continue about the tables, the eco inside the PHP, the tables. I make that tables to show that in cell, whenever I add a product, show me that in cell, the product in cell for each one, and to process the card and the attribute title to set up like this here as HTML5, and finally I put the attribute for each features. The reason why I use the loop to be able to loop me the process same whatever I add the product to my page. Another thing, I add the form. Now the important things, now I come to talk about the JavaScript thing. Now we inside the PHP and HTML we have to do the scripting, because with pay with card, when you do the payment, this one it should done inside this PHP and HTML to be able as well to connect it the prices, the correct prices, to connect it with the correct thing. What I used here, I download from checkout.strap.com. checkout.strap. I took it from the Strap document. Okay, I will take it from Strap document. That important thing to understand how to create account to Strap. To do payment, process payment online, payment or make a payment online, to process payment online, you have to do. The first thing you have to do, you have to register account. A normal account is called Strap account. This is going to be for the businesses, for it's going to be one person, or for businesses, for any, and even if you use for developer. This account, it helps businesses to collect their money through the account. I will sign out and I will show you how I create. When we search on Google www.strap.com and give you this and log into account, it give you that page. They told you even if you want to sign, or if you don't have account, you go to sign up. Then if you sign up, you have to put email, password and some details. I done it as complete.payment@yahoo.com. I done this specific Yahoo just for me for the process, the payment. Then I pressed continue. Then I logged in. When you log in to your account, it's come like that. If is a real account, I will ask you to activate your account. When you activated your account here, you can put some information about the product, about the business, and as well you can put the card details which received the money on, like the source code, the account number and details. But if you're working as a test, as developer, the same one I'm using now, then you just turn this. If you test data, then through the view test data in Strap, you will have got it go test mode, and it take you to developers. From developers, they give you how to do things, get post or delete the payment, or to add the product, or how to they guide the developers how to do the payment process. To go to IBI key, the important thing to be able to connect it to the server through the PHP, you have to know the IBI2 codes. It's important. The first code is called publish key, and the second code is called secret key. Publish key and secret key is the important two keys. These keys will help you. These keys will do the connection of payment. This two keys will help the PHP to the payment process will understand and transfer the money to the card, because that without these, that will the server will not understand that the correct, and instead the payment error, or maybe never send the payment. So through that you said developer and IB key. Because I'm using view test mode, then it's give me that as pk/test, and for secret key sk/test, because this is as a developer test mode. But if I activate my account and delete the test mode, no, that will be changed. That will be said pk/activate or real, or sk/activate or real one. These thing to done it. Okay, we still have time. Okay, then I'm gonna explain to you how to write a PHP code to use these two important codes, publish key and secret key. These important key, and you have the reason why you need to create account on Stripe, just to get the publish key and secret key and transfer it to PHP code. I will explain to you how done this. I'm gonna go to now stripe.pnp. Now what we need extra thing to do, we have to download stripe/php/master. That as well, we can Google it through the Google tab, what is stripe/php/master, and we have to download this file with your package closer to payment and add it, because through that I will show you this is the important things in init.php. This is done by Stripe. This is require all the functionality of the Stripe that use it to process the card, to process the collection money, to process the invoices, to process the transfer money from the card the person they insert to the person, to the businesses or the person thing. These important things to consider about it. Is important to download stripe/php/master. is found in Google. You need to make sure that you have got init.php. This file is important to have it. Okay, so this is the end of part 3. We will see you in part 4. If you have any questions, please put in the comment. I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible. If you like my video, if you find that interesting, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for listening.